Hello, hello everyone. Another week, another week. Uh yeah, just gonna start. Yeah, disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research into financial markets before putting any real money at risk because this is a very risky business and you can lose your whole ass in this. And yeah, don't sue me. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. Last week was phenomenal, except for Friday. Friday, I baited. I could have had an amazing week, but ended up not. Yeah, following my plan. I'll tell you guys about it once I get to the review. But let's just take a quick look at the economic calendar coming up for this following week. As you can see, we got red news. Oh, every day, every freaking day. Then we got CPI on, yeah, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, I'll just tell you, every day is a trading day. Just don't trade when the news, the times of the news. Okay, now that we know that, we could get into the reviews and whatnots and forecasts. All right, DXY can start here. Do this. I'll go down the line, but yeah. Um, is it? See, bro. How are you? This is Friday. Baited. Show you. Let me show you. This one. I peep. Niggas were up. Two cops were up. Feel me? Should have had a stop loss there or closed that one at least there. But shoulda, coulda, woulda. Don't matter. Can't go back and fix nothing that I did. And then, it was a pond when I was still trying to force the long. When I don't know why I was forcing the long. If I show you, like, I'm gonna get into it like later, but like, I mean, she's all at all time highs and stuff, but like, yeah, at that time of price, the short would have played out better. Um, yeah, trying to get back in, got PE, and I was tight, and I was like, damn, but still ended the week in profits because I took other, yeah, like, say, oh wait, oil was a W. Like it was madness. Oh, look at the continuation. Finding, let's see, study here, study here. Down 40 with two contracts. And partial there. So half of that will be, come on now. So 2.6 locked. Sorry, 2.9, but anyway, look at that run up, bro. Right after locking it in, came back, tested this fair rally gap. Man, yeah, we just had ICIs from there. But hey, beautiful continuation. We're not mad that we lost that. We're not mad that we were up in profits and lost them. But as you can see, dollar, we've been seeing lower prices. But look what's happened. Now we have this. Since we have that, that really changes the narrative for me now. Because I was expecting it to go to these highs, but I wanted these lows first. So if you like, wait, Let's do this. Oh, wow. Yeah, this one is. Yeah, if I was using this 20 look back. Yeah, still no. Okay, so since we got the disrespect of this fair rally gap weekly, we definitely, I mean, most definitely targeting the liquidity that we had here. What's so beautiful is this volume imbalance. So we definitely reaching up to there. I could say that with certainty, 100% certainty. As a matter of how we get there, I don't know. Nobody knows that shit. But I should clear these. It's about that time. Do 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 do. Ooh, fresh chart, fresh start. So let's start monthly. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Okay, yeah, we got. Thought I closed out of it, but yeah, it's this new laptop I'm trying to get used to. But yeah, let's start monthly. As you can see, monthly overall aim for this low key. Low key. Yeah, since we started this, boom. Second breakup. And we got the I see. I see. I should have took that. But you know what I'm saying? Monthly, we can clearly see her trading to these highs. Potentially this high. So weekly looks beautiful. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I hate this, bro. Why did I even click that? Okay. Anyways, so it's monthly. And then now we're starting the second stage accumulation going on because it was distributing, and it starts accumulating. Turns into an accumulation with this breakup above this high. So that's the excuse me. Anyways, yeah, for now, target is high, this volume imbalance. Lower time frames. Wow. Oh, 9 hour. Yeah, volume imbalance. Yeah, definitely aiming for that. Got this. So this week on a lower time frame, say like 4 hour. I want to see the dollar. See what the daily on. Believe. Okay. Okay. 4 hour. Well, see a retest this coming week. I want to get a little retest, potentially like a clear of those, and then we get continuations up to take those highs, resting here, and here. It's DXY for the week since yeah. And EU, we was incorrect last week. We wanted this. This. Monday was right push down. I mean, we weren't totally incorrect. We were just, overall direction was incorrect. But we still got the push down at the beginning of the week. See, that's Friday, Sunday, and Monday. Monday to Tuesday. We could have took a bite to this high. Shit would have yielded like a nice little, I don't know. Let's say if it was like, say not even a perfect entry there, protecting this low, maybe a little bit below it. Like a 125, nice 125. Should be mad at that. Nah. But anyways, we didn't get that. We didn't trade that. We didn't even we don't even trade forex pairs anymore. So yeah, we're not even mad though. We just refresh and yeah, we adjust. Oh, but that being said, since oh my goodness, weekly did that. Weekly looks like it's heading towards this low right here. Make that money's there. As to how it gets there, we want to see a little flush out to take it. Oh, yeah, I mean, one day, daily. I mean, once it broke below this, broke this again. Like, we were still valid for buys if it didn't break this low. Right here would have been nice for buys. That's why I was still looking for buys, willing to do that. But, yeah, they failed. I mean, they would have played out and then failed if he was still holding. But yeah, this week I want to see a push up to lower prices. GU, GU, absolutely shitty. But as you can see, we on all this consolidation. It's like consolidate, consolidate. Yeah, we don't know. For me, it's 50-50. Yeah, let me take a quick look at the sentiments. Yeah, definitely short, short. Long, 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 long. Okay, yeah, everything is kind of aligning for the most part. All right, so we can. I'm gonna clear all the charts today just to. Yeah, never be afraid to clear your charts because it's like, why you having all that noise there? And feel me, you don't need that. So this looks very appealing. Let's do daily. Could potentially just see this or get deeper retracements up here. But as you can see, all I want is a repricing of price before continuations happen. And these continuations are likely to keep holding because we are having this happening. So it breaks to the downside. So what can we expect next? Just like here, when we had this break here, we could see price go lower and then come back, take out this high right here. Release here. I mean, and then tap into like the next. See this rabbit feel really good. That's where it stopped at. And I see this one, the one it stops at. See weekly if it tells us a clearer picture. Yeah, weekly held this down. After no, I mean, yeah, we had one up. Then clear up price here. Comes in test this one. Yeah, GU and EU are all 50-50 for now. But I'm leaning more towards selling because of that most recent breakdown. Understand? So last week I was still looking for longs. Let me, let me show you what I was looking back at last week. Okay, last week we were looking at her. Yeah, same thing right there. I even marked it up for like, demo wise. I don't really trade. I mean, only got a little +3, but look, look, if I would have had the stop loss, two partials, +10, come on now, almost +20. Shit, madness. But yeah, saw some. Yeah, once we got here, once we broke this low, I was already saying, feel me? I want lower prices because we saw the break lower and we had the flush into it, like a repricing of price. Then we had an impulse. After that impulse, I was like, yeah, I want to see that next impulse down because we're going to retrace back up to this fair value gap and then continuation after then. But yeah, we did not get. I mean, we did get that, but we don't trade. We don't trade these. But yeah, for this week, feel me? Like I said, repricing higher, potentially just clear these, and then lower prices after then. Alrighty, UCAD, USD CAD. Last week we said, yeah, Sunday gonna get repricing here to higher prices. And I also said we could potentially take out these lows into all this. We could have had a bigger redistribution. A bigger, no, not redistribution, just a distribution. But price didn't take out that low. We did take out, yeah, we filled out this gap. We traded higher, took out these lows. Yeah, we had the I. See, I see. Yeah, yo, this would have been beautiful. These icy eyes. Push out. Impulse. Correction. If I stop that high, what about crazy? But I was waiting for this fair value gap till we fell. That's why, I kinda switched away or moved away from trading just like, zones and S&D zones and whatnots. Like, then most likely not gonna get tapped. They don't need to get tapped. Because, like, look at this. This is, you could say this whole thing is an S&D zone, but I was looking at just this candle down here is an S&D zone. So, and then I saw this gap. But price did that. It did test this one. So price was already back there. Why would it come back there? Here was back there too. But look at this volume imbalance or new weekly open gap opening. Week gap was made. But since we know we still long, like we've been saying for months, I think since December, we've been wanting her to just shoot to the sky, aim for the moon. And finally, we got that high taken out. But you know what happens when a high gets taken out, right? Like, look at this back here when it took out this high. This high right here. takes it out, has this no bye, 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 bye. You do not see you later, bro. Like, even if you're using this like intermediary range and stuff, takes out this high. Bye bye. Takes out this high. Test. Bye bye. You feel me? But so what could we expect next week? This daily candle is amazing. The way it like closed higher. So this new daily open should like potentially just trade it a little lower to like the 50% of it. And then yeah, we getting the burst up to the top side to auto. Is unify. Let me draw this Phoebe right here. Yeah, projecting still here. So this week, yeah, the president is already there. We could potentially see bigger flush out. Potentially. Now I see eyes off of that, but I'm seeing just a little retracement down to here level. Gold. I shall do this on the future side. Wow. Okay. Now let's get down to the nitty gritty, down to the bready. Feel me? We're the big boy. Right. We're gonna talk a little. Last week, ooh, sorry, could have been better. You know, little wins, losses. You feel me? But what we said last week was, yeah, we wanted this to continue. I presume, yeah. Monday was here. Sunday was here. So we wanted higher prices to take out the last week's high to go to the lower prices. But what did we get? Opening. Boom, 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 boom. Consolidation. Lower prices. The higher prices meant basically what I said, but like the opposite. And then straight lower prices after the higher prices. So you could potentially say I was correct. But yeah, it's not about being correct. It's about your executions and what you get out of the markets. It's not about the results either. Well, let's get into it. I was here, bro. Tell you how I messed up the beginning of the week. Bad, bad, bad. Tuesday was trading. Saw that it wanted to go. It seemed like it wanted to go lower after taking these highs right here. And yeah, of course, that big drop there. And I wanted to see lower prices because after getting those highs of last week's highs get taken out, we're gonna see some higher prices. I mean, lower prices. That's what I presumed. So I took a short, came down, was in profit, and then straight -1. I should have moved prof. Should have. And I gotta stop saying should have. I could have moved my stop loss to break even, but didn't. So yeah, -1. And then I was here. Was this the one I was trying to buy? Oh, Yeah, this is what happened. Okay, I will have once this took me out as a -1, I had a sell stop here for where my TP was. TP was like, yeah, 50% of this, 1, 2, 3. I think I was aiming for around there, 1, 2, 3. I had a buy, I mean, sell stop there, so it takes me out at this stop of this sell right here. It stops the sell, you feel me, and puts me into a buy, which gets me out of the position. But no, no, I have yeah, a buy stop. Yeah, it was a sell stop. Stupid. But anyways, uh, yeah. So it just tapped me in that sell stop that I had there. That price goes straight way lower. I mean, way higher. I was down like 9 bands, like 900. Bro, that's a -4 right there. It should be the opposite. It should be red. But I just put that there because I was just like, what the freak, bro? That's a lot. But yeah, then I saw after seeing that, I was like, yeah, let me get into this. After losing that 9, took this -1. I was like, nah, fuck, I'm not trading no more. Then this happens. You can tell my emotions and my psychology was out of there, bro. Then I also baited this one, which was we were running at +4. I gotta set my yeah, we usually typically run to like +3, so yeah, my set TP should always be +3. I don't know why I'd be trying to catch the big moves. I wanted to see the morning lows get morning highs get taken. As you can see, this is like 10, 9, 9:30-ish. Around there the high was created. That's where I saw price setting, but I should have seen, yeah, context on the higher time frame. So I did take that long and up, came back, stopped me out at +1. So I was like, okay, move on. Try to see this. Got a few break evens here. Yeah, that was it for a week. And then Q. Um, this week, clear charts. Wow. Potentially just aiming for this low. Yeah. To the higher prices because as you can see, trend is still up. Let's see what would the yeah, I'm a trend line trader. I'm a trend line trader today. Oh, I'm a trend line trader today. See, if I was a trend line trader, just like here, whatever happened here, first, bro. Yeah, if I was a trend line trader, I would be heavily buying this. Heavily. You feel me? But I'm not. So I'm gonna be patient. Let everyone who's buying early get taken out. Feel me? That this is all liquidity here. All liquidity. All money that needs to get cleared out of the market so the market can move the actual direction it needs to, move. So we not doing nothing. I mean, we could take shorts. That's what looks promising for mm, the next week or two, potentially to this low. We could fuck around and play in this zone for like, yo, before we even see this. We can play around, get some sells, get some buys, get some sells, get some buys in this zone. But that's all gonna be crazy. You feel me? So that's why we stay out of selling markets. I mean, we try to, but sometimes we can't. You see, why would you trade this? Ranging, shitty, shitty, shitty to me. But context is still there. We want to go to these highs. I want to see these lows get cleared, some liquidity get taken out, some potentially just tap this. Feel me? Then get some higher prices from there. But as for now, I'm gonna stay on the sidelines. I'm not big on taking shorts, even though when you take a short, like, shoo, how long would you have had to be in the market for this? 4 hours instead of like this long, which took 12 hours, or even this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nothing. I'm not even counting all this. This is like 40 hours right here. You not trying to be in the markets that long, so shorts do play out faster because once price falls, it falls and people want to get out, and it's like more, it's like, yeah, people being fearful and getting out of their positions, and banks selling to get them out. Okay, so that's why we need these lows. We want those lows to get cleared before even taking any more longs or ICIs from there. YM. This is what blessed me for the week. I shall tell you. Even though YM was the only one I wanted to just stay here and take out these highs, but YM was in this kind of context. I should have seen that. Yeah, those two breaks. This was just a repricing to the next break. So following week, same shit, repricing, potentially take out these highs, and then target this low. But let me go over my trade for the week. This is what I saw. I wanted price to do this, but didn't do that. Fell through. And then after getting this break lower, I was like, okay. Price is trading lower. She's very overextended. Just like here, she consolidated before even pushing up. So consolidation before the last. So consolidation. Launch. I was like, okay. Took an ICI from here. I think I buy stopped the 15 minute or no 1 minute can't presume, but either way, I buy stopped something. Took long. You see that says plus 11, but we partial along the way up. And I ran straight to, yeah, morning lows got taken that day. I mean, morning highs, excuse me. But that was a +7 right there. So that +4, +10. Oh, all of them got taken care of technically by this trade. So I'm only up like a couple RRs for the week, but I'm not really pressed or forcing nothing. It's all part of the game. Alrighty. ES. We said last week. Yeah, we wanted the same thing last week. Flush here to higher prices. I did execute on a few that could have been calls, but this was Friday. Yeah, Friday. Try to take a long -1. I mean, break even. No, this is short. Yeah, trying to take a short here. No, this is definitely a long because it was, Was I shorting here? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was either shorting here. Can't fucking remember. But it's in the group. Hold on. Yeah, it was definitely a long. Came back, break even. Took another long. -1 right away. Then took a short. -0.25. Took another short. -0.75 because I took it was here for 1-to-1. At 1-to-1, I moved. Once she reached 1-to-1, I moved my stop loss to. I reduced it by 75%. So that's why it's no 24. Yeah, reduced it by 25%. This was reduced by 75%. So, and I wanted this to go down, and shoot higher, but that's why I was kind of hesitant on holding all these shorts. But we did get that, and then continued. From there, yeah, way lower. So this week, daily, let me clear this shot up. Wow, this looks amazing. This looks amazing. Did you go? No, I'm playing. Just here before all them. Let me do that. Let me redo that. Clear these lows. Shoo. 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 So we still at all-time highs, and I presume that we gonna continue to all-time highs. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah, to higher prices. So that's all we're looking for this week. Everything the same. See RTY, same shit, same thing. This one's a little different because all this consolidation. We could potentially just see, oh my goodness, way lower prices before even getting any movements up. CL, this is what put me up for the week after, yeah, being crazy down. That other week, we said we wanted that. Took that long after the flush out. Sunday, prices traded higher. I had a stop loss. I think let's go 5 minute. I think at this 5 minute candle was in. One of these 5 minute lows I had it on. I was not even the 5 minute. Oh my goodness, I was on the 15. Much stupid. Much stupid. Yeah, below this low, I presume. Really recall. That was that Monday. I mean, Sunday going to Monday. Yeah, she kept trading and trading and trading, And it was it. Took a few -1s here. Trying to catch longs. Presumed. Presumed. -1. But saw the trend was continuing. We had a few breaks, and actually looks good to follow now when I shouldn't have been following it here. So yeah, we got that break. Refresh our price. I mean, yeah. I see. Look at this eye. This candle. You see that impulse correction. But I stopped some ICI in a lower time frame there. Ooh, got out here where I was going partial, and you want to see why that's the partial area. This, I think that's even the pump up. See that I used that. Nah, yeah, I definitely use this. Now look at that pump up and see where the extension lands. That's why I took that and closed it down. But she kept going. Not mad, not upset. I'm just okay. Shit happens. Shit, move on. But yeah, this week we can clear this. We still, I see it targeting this high still because look at this. Yo, once we had that flush out, finally got a break above here and then second break here. We could see another flush before even there, but like we still at all-time highs. So this next week, I want to see it come lower, test this fair value gap here, and shoot to the moon. Feel me? We gonna shoot. We gonna shoot. We gonna shoot. Yeah, this looks lovely for these lows right here to get taken out. Let's see. 5 hours telling me that we could really just, wow. After this low right here, no 5 hour though, because we need to see some form of liquidation. You feel me? Oh yeah, so yeah, a little flush out, or a bigger flush out, and then. Okay, now gold. Last but not least, some gold. C15 and talk about last week's. Is it here? Yeah, Sunday. What did we say Sunday was gonna happen? What did we say Sunday was gonna happen? And if you don't believe me, please go back to the previous video and look at my analysis for YouTube. Like, I didn't even execute on this one. I'll tell you that. Because I was, yeah, so I was trading. I decided to trade the CL that Sunday. Um, see. Oh, I cleared it. Damn it. Anyways, price did exactly as we said. We were gonna get some higher prices or lower prices, so we didn't really clear that high. We just rapidly got lower, flushed out everybody who was long from last week from here, late longs and everybody got into this fair value, respected it. See, none of the bodies, none of the bodies. And I'll tell you, if you're gonna use fair value gaps, use that time frame for the bodies too. Don't be like, this is a 15-minute fair value gap, and then go down to the 5 minute. I'd be like, okay, body's closed below here. Look good. It's invalid. Nah. As long as the bodies do not close below or outside of that fair value gap in that specific time frame, it's still, getting respected because this is just getting wicked out. Prices here. This is not price. This is just, wickiness. But yeah, we got the shoes up. Man, we just kept seeing that. You see this model? Tune. I see. Tune. I see. Yeah, kind of shitty, but consolidation. I see. That's why I took that one. I was trying to take this one, but ended up missing it. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you why I missed it. I think it was, yeah, go 1 minute. Go back here. Okay. You're probably like, why didn't you just re-enter? Yo, I had a win already. I was not trying to force no fucking, trades to the long side while it was, already collecting money, right? To me. But what I wanted to see on this one. No, let me actually talk about this one first. So you see this one? I have the first eye. See. Eye. Now flesh out. Eye. See. You can see the many, money came in. See. At this candle. Once this. Feel me? Got low here. Buy stuff. Buy stuff. Now stop below there. Either way, look at this. So, looking at this. Zoom to get tapped. Probably 2 minutes since it was a little higher. But yeah, as you can see, price never even got there. It did trade higher. Once it got here, I wanted it to, take these lows. I should have used these, but didn't. Didn't matter. Could have, should have, would have, but didn't. All right, so that was a nice miss. Am I saying nice miss? That was a bad miss on my part. But it's all part of the game. Shit happens. If it was missed, it was missed. You're not gonna get upset about it. We're not gonna chase price. If I did, I would have seen like, oh, would have won, but that's not, you shouldn't be happy about lucky wins. Lucky wins are just lucky wins. Random results. It's like you're gambling at that point. But if you're following your system, this little move that I caught could have been more than anybody who caught this big ass move. They could have, potentially still been holding it, and then oh nah, they are break even. Just like me when I was trading. What was it NQ? Yeah, you see how I was still holding. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. But as you can see, it's like here. Why was I still holding when price gave me like all these profits? Just looking for a +864R. I wasn't even that confident to throw it there. To, be like, yeah, I'm already gonna hit it. So it's gonna be there now. Got humbled real quick. Says, like, who do you think you are? Telling me where to go. That's what Mike said. And yeah, I was out. Lunch hour was netted beauty. Just a break even and finished. So yeah, that's it for. Actually, let me do a little Bitcoin BTC. Is this what I'm trading? Yeah. Was this Sunday last week when I did this? Saturday. Sunday. Now, yeah, I told you I was gonna update you guys on this trade. Look at this. It was a beautiful -1. But if I had to stop below here, +7. Little nice +7.5 and then some. But niggas didn't matter. Does not matter. None of that does not matter. You just, I mean, I didn't even trade it, but it's just, yeah, bro. You see how it played out. You could have made money on this. You just, yeah. I was demo trading it. Even in demo, I got stopped out. Did I even get stopped out? Because I don't even know. I have not logged into my demo account all week. I think I just had it running. But yeah, that being said, I'm gonna end this video here. That's it for the Sunday review and forecast. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope everyone has a good week and good trading.